Too far, too far, too far. Good morning. Welcome back to the channel. I guaranteed it's not morning when you're watching this, but for me, I'm recording with my phone, so I can't check my time. I think it's 7 o'clock in the morning. I was awake at 6:15. Thought about going to Cars and Coffee, walked outside, and the ground is wet, so you're staying home today. If it gets nice outside, I might go to the beach, but Brendon is on vacation and has been since Wednesday night. He went down to North Carolina to race bikes. Not so fun fact, Wednesday morning, he got up to go to work, had his daily, which is a Mercury's version of the Ford Escape. I forget what it's called. Mariner? I don't know. Anyways, had it started. I came out into the shop to say bye because I was leaving for work. I leave before him. And all of a sudden we hear this weird sound, like something fell. And he was like, "Did you hear that?" I was like, "Yeah, that's weird." I go outside, I don't see anything. And I was like, huh. And I look over at the Mercury and I look down at the ground and there's just coolant pissing out the bottom of it. And so he takes it, moves it onto the grass so it's not leaking in the driveway. And when he moves it, I'm like, "Oh, that's weird." I reach down and I pick up a piece of plastic and he's like, "I don't know what happened." I was like, "Pretty sure you shattered your radiator fans." So he had to take the Trackhawk to work on Wednesday. But basically one of his radiator fans literally just exploded and took out the radiator with it. And he gets home tonight, Sunday night, late, and I thought I would surprise him and replace the radiator and the fans on the Mercury before he got home, which shouldn't be a hard task because he's already ripped the old stuff out of there. So literally I just have to take the new radiator, the new fans, and pop them in. So let's go. All right, new radiator. Obviously you have to be extremely careful with it because if you mess up any of these fins, it will leak coolant. And when this came in yesterday, I grabbed the box was damaged. And I was like, great. That would be Brendon's luck that he orders a new radiator. It gets in, where did that go? It gets in damaged, but it's all good. None of the fins are damaged. So I'm just gonna take apart the little pieces that they have on here to kind of protect it through shipping. All right, I need a very small screwdriver. Oh, look at that, I have one. My poor man. Can't catch a break. His bike's not running right still. He fixed the light problem, but got there and the bike's misfiring. So I should, in theory, be able to attach the fans to this and put it in all as a unit instead of doing it separately. But I didn't take the radiator out, so I don't know how much space there is and how particular you have to get. It rained all yesterday. It was only supposed to rain for like an hour. Sorry, lost my train of thought. It was only supposed to rain for like an hour. Rained all day. So that was cool. Because I wanted to go to the beach this weekend. Because I love the beach. But if I'm going to the beach, I'm taking the Mustang. And if it's raining, I'm not taking the Mustang. Dude, get off. There we go. Just need a little persuasion. Yeah. Got it. I am the Hulk. Ow! Son of a... Why do you have to use these industrial-sized staples? That hurt. Alright. Let's... Jesus, this is heavier than the freaking radiator. I'm gonna assume this way is up. Yeah. Okay, slides right in there. That goes there. This goes here. I literally just scrape my skin, like you can't even see it, really. But I always like to clean out wounds, especially since I don't have my tetanus shot, just in case. Typically I use glass cleaner because glass cleaner has alcohol in it, which probably, you know, isn't a good idea, but I don't really care. I will probably care the day I get tetanus. And here is what happened. The blade's literally just shattered. That one's fine, that one's not. So it, as you can see, messed up the radiator. So I have to see if he kept that. Almost got me. See if he kept those screws. He did keep a lot of screws, so let's determine what's what. I'm gonna say it's these two. Ah, yeah, that's definitely it. Iggy doke, because it has a sleeve on it that sits right in there. So, I'm gonna see what size this is. It should be a 10. It's morning time. My brain is not present. Am I crazy? Don't answer that. I definitely should have picked this up a different way, but so the key to doing this is being extremely careful because, as I said, you cannot damage the fins on the radiator. And Brendon didn't do what the tutorial video showed, which was take the front bumper apart. Alright, the difficult part is getting this lined up on the bottom because ouch. Because I cannot see. I cannot afford. Great success. Alright, as you can see, things got serious. I had to put my hair up because it was getting in my way. I didn't record any of that because I got super frustrated. I put it in upside down. It literally would have been faster for Brendon to just do this. Put the radiator in upside down. And so I tried to flip it, couldn't get the thing in, so I took the fans off of it and I put the radiator in, got it in, put the hoses on. Went to put the fans in, couldn't get the fans in because I put the hoses on, so I had to take the hoses off. Got the fans in, put it all together. So My thumb really hurts. Somehow I cut it yesterday and like this is not helping, but like I really just need coolant and to bleed the system, which I don't know if Brendon has any. He took the hood latch off. I don't know if I'm qualified enough to put the hood latch back on, so. All right. I'm leaving the hood latch up to Brendon. I've basically got it installed. It just needs to be adjusted because, hold on, I think it's loud out here. I shut the hood and I couldn't open it. I managed to get it open with a couple tricks, but I have it not shut all the way now, so Brendon can adjust the hood latch so that it opens like it should. But I can't really do anything else. Brendon has his keys with him, so I don't know if he has coolant or anything, but I can't burp the system anyway, so it doesn't really matter. So, surprise, babe! As always, you guys, I appreciate the watch. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share. I don't know. See you next time.